Hello and Namaste. I am Shristi Hada.
And I am Laumo Arjun and we are from Softwel. SW Canal has been used in many irrigation projects in Nepal and has been proving itself successfully. Last year, Softwel updated SW Canal 2007 to SW Canal V2. Today, we are going to show you how we can install SW Canal V2. These instructions that we are sharing are for our latest version. These instructions are for those who are updating SW Canal 2007 or earlier, or if you have just purchased a new SW Canal V2 key.
Step number 1 is to register an account if you haven't already. For that, go to the official Softwel webpage at www.softwel.com.np or directly scan the QR code provided in the key. Do not try to log in from the login when you enter the Softwel homepage, as this login is only for the admins of Softwel. Anyway, at the top you will see downloads. Go to that and then click on download software. This page will appear where you will get paid versions as well as free versions of Softwel products, where you will see that SWDTM, SW Maps and its template builder, SWUTM, SW Area Converter and SW CBWSS are provided free of charge, and you won't be needing an account to download any of these. Anyway, we are not going into that as we are here to install SW Canal. For that, go to the first option in the list of products and then click on Visit Site.
Now, go to Register on the right side of your screen and fill in the details. And hit sign up. Once your registration is complete, an email will be sent to your mailing address containing the account activation link. Step number 2 is to go to your email, find that email and click on the link sent to you to sign in and activate your Softwel account. If you already have an account, you just need to log in.
Then inside SW Canal, you will see a download option. Click on that. 2 versions are available to you, the first one being the premier version SW Canal V2 Professional, where you will need to purchase the software, and the second one being a free version SW Canal V2 Learning Edition. If you want to download the free version, just click on the download button at the bottom of SW Canal V2 Learning Edition. The download will start right after you hit the download button. There are a few limitations when you use the Learning Edition, such as the total length of all alignments is limited to 1 kilometer. The number of alignment is limited to 2. All alignment changes must start from 0. Drawing export limited to 2 number of sheets, and cannot import SW Canal 2007 project. Here we are downloading the professional version. For that, first click on Download Setup Request Utility.
After downloading the Setup Request Utility, go to the download folder and run the exe file. A dialog box saying Windows protected your PC might appear. You don't worry about that and click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Another dialog box will appear that will ask for your email and password. Enter the email and password that you put into making a Softwel account and click on Login. While logging, if you get an error message saying cannot connect to Softwel, check the internet connection, then sync your system clock with the internet and try again.
Step number 3 is to insert the key into your computer. The dialog box Softwel Setup Download Utility says that you are signed in with your email address. Now click on Get Key Info and all your key information will be displayed. But if you are using the key for the first time, you will see that no email address is registered on the key. To link up the key, click on the Request Installer button. Softwel will now prepare your installer and you will receive the download link and your product key in your email. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. The download link will only be valid for 24 hours.
Step number 4 is to download the setup from the link mailed to you and run it. Again, Windows protected your PC dialog box might appear. Just click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Accept the agreement and click on Next. The setup will ask for a product key. Enter the complete product key that was sent to you in your email, including dashes. Also make sure that you do not copy any blank spaces. Click on Next. file location, next. Might need to create a desktop shortcut, next. Install. Then click on finish.
Once you click finish, the software will start automatically. If it doesn't, you can start SW Canal V2 from your desktop or start menu. Do make sure that your USB key is inserted the whole time while you are using the software, or else the program will stop working. So that was it. If you find this video helpful,
and if you want to see more of our videos,
hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share.